The main things you need to know about Corsair H115i Platinum is that it's not cheap, it's beautiful, it's powerful, and it is pretty much the same as Corsair H115 Pro XT, except RGB. Yes, Pro XT and Platinum are extremely similar in structure and power of thermal transferring. Both of them are 280mm closed-loop water coolers and with some rainbow beauty inside. Both use micro USB on the pump, which connects to internal USB on the motherboard. And with it, you can control your H115i Platinum using IQ software, speedo fans, pump, RGB models, and so on and so forth. Just as Pro XT, Platinum can consolidate almost all cables and connectors into one system, if you will use the USB on pump connection way. But just like Pro XT, you will need one SATA power connection cable, and it may be accidentally pulled in tight cable management, and you may accidentally commit violence to other SATA devices, and they won't be in pain. You will. Now about power. Platinum is still fine even for overclocked Ryzen and Core i9s. So my Ryzen 5 3600X on puny 4.2 GHz on all cores and 1.35 volts under stress test in AIDA64 with FP load peaked at 77 Celsius with, may I say, zero noise. 1000 RPM on fans and 2000 RPM on pump are easily blocked in a closed case, with some few HDDs in the background. Now, why H115i Platinum costs more than Pro XT? Well, RGB of course. Fans are beautifully lit and pump became even more RGB sophisticated, with more patterns to use. So, if you need only heat transfer with clearance for any RAM, with a lot of control over speeds, H150 Pro XT is at your service. But if you need beauty, like, I don't know, 10 RGB strips in one, just put some few bucks above previous price and get this stunning unit. I recommend. And that's it for me, for now. And you write in a comment below what CPU you would like to see in a thermal battle versus this Corsair. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon so you'll never miss on our videos. It helps us immensely. Algorithm digs it like nobody's business. My name is Denis Zaychenko with Root Nation channel, and see you next time.